Searching for a 2009 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.